Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to make an homemade cough medicine for my little ones and for myself. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the ingredients. So, I have right here with me glove honey. I have some honey. I have some chopped gingers. I have my saucepan, and also I have some cloves. I'm gonna blend both the cloves and the ginger with a tiny bit of water just to make it blend, and then squeeze the juice out of it and add some honey and some sugar to it and make my cough drops out of it. So let's go.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Huh?
Hi.
Hi. Mommy.
Hmm?
I see.
Sorry.